In this short video we gonna see how to enable Linux Red Hat 8 kernel dump for analysis. 1. Enable debug channels, if they are not enabled, with next command. Subscription manager repos enable equals RedHat etc. 2. Install debug info packages using yum. Yum install kernel-debuginfo. 3. Check the etc. default grub file for the configuration of creating a crash file. Open the file and look for line grub_chemline_linux equals crash kernel equals auto. Usually it is included and it is the 5th line. If you have made changes to the previous file, then regenerate the bootloader configuration file using command grub.cfg or boot to grub2 or grub.cfg. 5. Dump analysis. The crash utility is used for analysis. The path to the vmlinux file for your kernel version must be specified, which can be found in file sysrq-trigger uname r vmlinux. Then you can run the crash command, for example. Crash sysrq-trigger uname r vmlinux vart crashed host and datetime folder vmcore. PS. To verify the creation of a crash dump file after configuration, you can simulate, if not critical to lose connection, a kernel crash with the command echo c a proc sysrq-trigger. After that, you can reconnect to host and use crash command to analyze the created dump file.